Good day, everyone. I am Dilby Kalnawan, a third year Bsit student from St. Rita's College of Balingasan. Today, I will going to show you MySQL syntax. So, SQL dates. SQL dates are functions of MySQL that returns specific date and time formats. So, these are the MySQL date list function. Now, the now function returns the current date and time. The current date returns the current date. The current time returns the current time. Date extracts the date part of the date or date and time expression. The extract returns a single part of a date and time. Date adds a specified time interval to a date. Date subtracts a specified time interval from a date. Date diff returns the number of days between two dates. Date format displays date and time data in different formats. So let's proceed to the demonstrations of those functions. So first, let's demonstrate the select now function. So select now as date today. So this will result to the current date and time of the day. The second function is the select car date as date today. So this will result to the current date of the day. Then the third function is the select car time. So the third function is the car time as car rent time. So the current time is this value. So that is this returned by the car time function. So that fourth function is the date function. So select date. So as date. So this will extract the date from the now function. So the now function displays this value. So this the function date returns only the date of the day. So this will the result. So next function is the extract function. So select extract year from now as year. So these functions will extract the year from the now function. So the now function has the year 2016. So it will be extracted as so this will display as the year. So you can also specify this year as a month. So this will result to this will extract the month from the now function. The third function is the date add. So select date add now interval 10 day as 10 days from now. So this date add function adds 10 days from the now functions. It will add 10 days from the current date. So the current date is 2016 3 so it will add 10 days. So this will result to 2016 03. So that's how the date add function works. So the next function is the date sub. So this function will return this value. So it will subtract 10 days from the now function. So it will subtract 10 days from the current time. So this will result as the value. The next function is the date diff. So select date diff. Select date diff So now as difference. So let let's try this date. Um, so from this function, so the different there are so this function returns 6,806. So therefore the difference the current date from this date is 6,806 days. So this function returns the days difference from this function, this date from this date, and the last function is the date format. So select date format now as date formatted. So let's try to have value here. So m, %y, and %d. So date format, so I forgot the underscore. Okay, so select date format from now. So this will select, so this will returns the month in words, the year, and the date. So that's all from the MySQL date function. So for more info, please visit w3school.com/sql. Thank you.